Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dabs. I'm excited to have you here. It's that time of the year again. Black Friday sale has just begun. This is crazy. So officially, Ostinger is giving out 81% off. So you can see here you have access to free domain name, free website migration. Literally, Ostinger will help you migrate your website for free. So you don't have any reason not migrating to Ostinger right now. You have 247 support to help you. So right now you can check this video description to see a link to Ostinger. It will qualify you for this amazing discount. You also see my coupon code is an affiliate link. I'll get a certain commission for recommending you. And that's the only support you can give to my channel right now, and I appreciate that so much if you are able to do that. So you can hit the claim deal button. And once you come down here, you can see that you can buy their premium web hosting, which in my opinion is enough if you are a starter, because it gives you lots of server resources. And first off, you have 2 months for free. So we'll get to that eventually when we're about to choose a duration. It says that it can host up to 100 websites, but that's arguable if it can. Also, you have 100 GB of SSD storage. You have weekly backups. You have unlimited free SSL, unlimited bandwidth, free email, free domain, but you don't have access to free CDN and dedicated IP address. But for CDN, you can use Cloudways. Cloudways have a free option you can integrate to your website. Whatever works for you. But in my opinion, this is always good enough for you to start. But you can check in case you have more preferences for free CDN, or you have preferences for maybe daily backups. But this is a weekly backup. This is daily backup. In case you also have preferences for maybe storage, this is 200 GB and this is 100 GB, then you should consider maybe going for their business plan. But I will always recommend that you start at the barest minimum with your premium plan. So you'll be brought here where you need to choose a period for your hosting. You can see that you have the option to buy for as low as 2.49, 2.69 if it's 24 months, and 2.99 if it's 12 months. This is Ostinger just saying that we reward you if you invest long term with us. So you get 2 months free here if you invest in the 48 months plan. But again, on all the plan here, you get a free domain. But another thing you need to watch again before you make up your mind which duration you should go for is the renewal fee. So you can see here that this one renew at 6.99, this one 7.99, and this one 9.99. I will never talk about the 1 month, the monthly plan, because it's a flat fee of 12.99 every other month. So that's it for choosing a period. So if you come down here, you can see here that you've got an amazing discount of $504. So if you use my coupon code called DABS and click the apply button, so you can invest in Ostinger for as low as $107.57, and that's quite fantastic. So if you come up here, you can see that now you can buy for as low as $2.24 per month, and this is good. If you ask me, for a 50 months plan, this is a good deal. So everything you need to do right now is add your email account here, and then choose your preferred payment gateway, whether it's credit card or PayPal, and then you submit a secure payment. So if you submit a secure payment, it will bring you here where you need to set up your hosting account. Before now, you may have been asked to create a password for your account, and also you come here, you can set up your hosting account by just clicking the Start Now button. You'll be asked whether you want to create a website or you want to migrate an existing website. If you want to migrate your website to Ostinger, there is a way you can do that. You can request that they help you transfer. So you can see transfer, let us migrate your website for you. So you can click this here, you can give them your details, and they would be able to help you migrate your website for you for free. However, it can take up to maybe 24 to 48 hours. If you're okay waiting for that period, then why not? Ostinger will help you do that. So if you have your own hosting files that you want to upload yourself, you go this route. I also have a tutorial that will show you how to migrate your website to Ostinger without stressing. Literally, within few minutes you'll be able to do this. You will not even go the route of either of these two, and I'll show you a simple hack for you to migrate your website to Hostinga. So I will leave that link on the screen right now. Also check the video description for you to see that tutorial if that is exactly what you want to do. So let's come back here. If you want to create a new website, definitely this is the route to go. You can click this, and then you can choose whether or not you want to go the route of WordPress or you want to go the route of Hostinga Builder with AI. I just did a tutorial, and I've done subsequent tutorials on how to design your website with Hostinga AI Builder. So you will also see a link on the screen right now. Just check the video description and just see my Hostinga playlist, where I have done lots of tutorials on how to design your website with Hostinga, to use their template, how to also maybe design an e-commerce website with Hostinga AI Builder. So you will see all those tutorials. You can check them out. It will help you a great deal. If you want to go the WordPress route as well, I have tutorials too as well, but definitely you can just click this and then you can install WordPress. So basically, if you come down here, you can create login details for your WordPress. English and all these are good. You need to create an administrator password right now. I will do that. Kindly know that you need to have an encrypted password for you to be able to pass this phase. One number, one symbol, one uppercase, one Latin, 8 to 5 characters, and one lowercase. This should be ticked for this to work, and then hit the continue button. And you also be asked whether you want to add some plugins, but I don't like doing this. I'll skip this. And then you also be asked if you want to install a theme. I also would want to skip this as well. And this is where you get to claim a free domain if you just bought your hosting with Hostinga. If you want to use their free domain name, you just need to come here and hit the select button, and then you can type a domain here and choose your preferred TLD here, .in, .me, .com, whatever, but .com is generally used. So you can search for a name. Once the name is available, you can register. You'll be asked to provide your name, your details to definitely register that domain name. And once you are done with that, that's it. Your domain name is done. You are passing this phase. But if you want to use an existing domain name that is registered somewhere, you can come this route here, select this, and then you can type the existing domain name here, hit the continue button, and then Hostinga will fetch out the name servers of the domain name, and then it will ask you to change the name servers to their own name servers. So you can go to whatever domain registrar you're using, and then you can select, you can change the name servers easily. If you have any problem changing your name servers, just go to the support of your domain registrar and ask them how to change your name server, or also just tell them to help you change your name servers to the name servers that Hostinga has given you. Literally simple. The option here in your case, if you are just using Hostinga for the first time, will be for you to buy a domain name, but it will be useless for you to buy since you can get a free one or you have an existing one. But in my case here, I can't choose a domain name because this my hosting account has several hosting plans that I have, and I have registered domains with them in time past. So I want to just use one of them since this video is just for tutorial purpose. So I would go that route right now. After you must have been done with picking your domain name, whether it's registering a free one or an existing one or selecting an already one you have with them, you can change your server location as well. So if you come here, you can see different server locations they have all around the world. I always advise that you keep your server location closer to where your visitors are coming from, not necessarily where you are, except if where you are is where your server is where your visitors are coming from, then that makes sense. So for example, if I were to be in the United Kingdom right now in Europe and I want to create this website for folks in the United States, I should definitely leave my server in the United States because that's where is closest to where people are coming from. So I will leave this unchanged. In your opinion, you can change this and then you can hit the finish button, and then after now we can see that Hostinga is putting our website together, installing WordPress, and our details will be ready in no time. That's it. Website is done. Isn't this amazing? Before I edit my website, I love to go to control panel first. I want to see what the panel look like, and I also want to check out if my SSL has been installed correctly on my domain. I will come to security, I will come to SSL, still installing. In some case here it takes time. Here it might fail, so you want to make sure that this is done and ready before you start editing your website. So if we go to our website right now, our website will be labeled unsecured, and we don't want that. So we give this some time to install. So you can see this has been installed. This has been installed already, so this is beautiful. So we can say this is done. So now we can come back to our dashboard, and then I will see a link here for me to go to my website. So if I click this right now, I should be able to see the default WordPress. So you can see this is secured. We have our padlock here, and this is our website literally almost ready. So let's go to the back end of this website. Literally, you should be able to just type in your username /wp-admin. That should take you to the back end of the website. But if you are here in your dashboard here, if you click this admin panel, now and I will get to the back end. That's it. We are in the back end of our WordPress website. This is fantastic. So you can see some plugin has been installed for us here. Hostinger, you can use Hostinger. Hostinger can generate your website with AI, and some things are still coming with Hostinger. So you can see you can get notified when this is done. I'm particularly excited about this, and I want to see what the Hostinger AI can do with WordPress. So you can come to appearance, you can come to themes. Let me show you how to redesign your website to a premium theme for yourself. So depending on the kind of website you want to use, we should be able to find a premium theme that would work for you. So let's come to add new, and this will bring us to the WordPress repository, that the marketplace here, where you have access to over 5,000, about 9,000 themes are here that you can install. But first, by the far right hand here is Astra, and Astra is good enough. Let's install Astra and let's activate Astra. So we can see here Astra has been installed. So right on our screen here, we can see that Astra is saying that for us to be able to use their pre-made template, we need to install starter template. So let's install this. So this will install a plugin called starter template and also activate it. Now Astra is asking us to choose our preferred page builder. The default Gutenberg is the block editor. That's fantastic if you want a very light, super light website that would be very fast. However, you might be limited with some templates available. But Elementor here is somewhere in the middle, and Elementor is the most used page builder out there for WordPress. I always love to use Elementor, and then Beaver Builder will be the last in the pecking order, in my opinion. I don't know, for some other people might prefer to use it, but but Beaver Builder is not as popular as these two in the WordPress market. So let's go with Hostinger for tutorial purpose, and then you can see that we have access to pre-made templates here that we can easily install on our website. However, note that some of them are premium, because you can see here they have a premium badge. Because Astra is a freemium theme that gives you free template and also have a paid one. So for you to have access to that paid template, you would want to invest in Astra Pro. You can see they've got lots and lots and lots and lots. So for these right now, if you click on this, for example, it will give you a preview of what the website templates look like. So you can see this is it. This is just like a one-page website where you can then now visit other things here. I wouldn't want to install this, so let's go back. What you can do right now again is for you to filter down using the tools here. From popular here, you can filter this down to latest, and also all here to just premium alone. They literally took the free away from there because they don't want people to easily find their free template. So you can come if you want to design a blog. So you can see that they have templates around all of this: news magazine, traveling blog, food blog, e-commerce, so personal website. So you can filter down between all of those for you to find templates available for you to use. I wouldn't want to go down that route. I just want to pick any random one. So this one here might just tickle my fancy. I'll click that. And this is what that website looks like. Beautiful, beautiful, kind of unusual website, but I like unusual website. So we can skip this and just continue, because there are some things you can do here, from changing the color to front, but these things are things that you can do eventually. This is not a WordPress tutorial, so I won't be showing you how to customize this website, but you can watch further tutorials from me to learn that. So you can hit the continue button, so you can put details here in case you want to, but for me, I will just submit and build my website. So installing require themes, plugins, forms, etc. So we can give this some few seconds to finish up. Congratulations, our website is ready. So we can view our website. So this is what we have before. So let's refresh this right now and see our new website. All right, so you can see how super simple and easy it is for us to design our WordPress website using Hostinger. Amazing, beautiful website here. So you can edit your website, customize it by editing with Elementor, since we chose the Elementor page builder. So if you click this, it will launch the Elementor page builder, where you can edit your website with a drag and drop feature. All right, so I will close this notification. So you can see we are already at the back end. If you click this right now, all this text here is editable. I can change the text here on the live website or here as well. So let's say, for example, I just want to say welcome to Dabs tutorial. So I can just say welcome to Dabs tutorial. So you can see, let's say I want to have a break here. I want that tutorial to be together, so I can just come down here and then I can do break. So you can see this is the function of the break we had earlier. So that's exactly how to do some things. But let me close this. Welcome to that tutorial is fantastic. So you can go ahead, change out the text, change out the images, so you can see everything here is clickable. Change the image, change everything here, case studies as well, the images. You can see everything here is clickable, and that is fantastic. So that's exactly how to customize your website. Once you are done with this, you can replace this image here, since this is an image, and put another image as well, and that's what you need to do. And once you are done, you can just hit the update button and then your changes are live. You can come up here and then come to view page, and then you are back to your live website. So you can see welcome to Dabs tutorial, and then you can come back here to the back end. You can come and hit this arrow here to exit, yes, to the back end of your WordPress website. So here you can play around with posts, with media. You can come to appearance and come to customize. This is where you do most of the customization, from your theme to your logo, header, footer, all those things around WordPress. So this, like I told you earlier, is not a WordPress tutorial. This is just me showing you how to harness the Hostinger Black Friday for you to design an amazing, beautiful website. So if you want to learn more, you can check further tutorials from me. I have used Astra theme over and over on my channel here to design websites, so you can check out for that. So that's it here. So I believe this video has been of immense value to you. If it has, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, if you have any requests, let me know in the comment section. So I'll see you in another tutorial. Until then, have a nice time, stay safe, bye for now.